2018 Honda Civic warm AC. This seems to be a really common issue with this generation of Civic. This little run they have here, I think it goes from 18 to 2021, and this one only has 63,000 miles. And we got warm AC. Now there's usually two common problems that happen with these. It's either the condenser or it's actually the compressor that ends up leaking the refrigerant. So we'll get this thing back in the shop and we'll check that out. A lot of times with the condensers, I can't usually see the leak normally, and sometimes you can see it with the compressor, and what I end up doing is I end up replacing both, and it solves the issue, okay? Since we have it in the shop and we have it all taken apart, that's the best thing to do. It is very costly, but we'll get in the shop and check that out. But that's usually the remedy for this is a condenser and a compressor. So if we look right here, you can kind of see this is a sign that there's been some oil hitting this, how dirty it is. So if we look at the other side, it's really, really clean. I'm talking about this white part right here. And this part right here is pretty dirty. The compressor's right here. When you get oil on the paint like that and it starts attracting dirt, and that's a sign of a leak there. So there's a seal up here in the compressor that can start to leak. It looks like that's what's going on because we got signs of oil and dirt. In front of the condenser, we kind of have the same signs right here on the line that's right here, and right here kind of on the condenser itself. Now it doesn't show up with the UV light as a leak, a big green leak, because I think these are really, really slow leaks. It is so slow that the dye is barely there. We're getting more dirt than actual dye and oil. But this car here is going to get a condenser and a compressor, and the AC will be fixed. You can see the darkness of the compressor right where this line is on the condenser right here. Right in this area right here. We're going to play it safe and get both of them approved.